Translation is where you slide a shape. Now, when you're looking at translations, sometimes the question might be given to you in the form of, it might just say translate the shape 3 to the right and 2 up. Sometimes, however, it might be given in something called the vector notation, which is where the top, which is always written like this, like a coordinate, where the top number represents right and left. And if it's a positive number, it means the shape's going to move right, and if it's negative, it means it's going to move left. Likewise, if the bottom number is positive, it means you're going to move up, negative, down. Very similar to a coordinate. If a coordinate was negative, you'd move it to the left, and likewise, if the second number was negative, you'd move it down. But this time, it's just the right and left are on top, and the up and down are the bottom numbers. Now, we're asked to translate this shape A along the vector -3, 2, and label it A dash. Now, the first thing I like to do is to write down what is -3, 2. What does that mean? Well, the -3 on top means you're going to go 3 left, and the 2 on the bottom means you're going to go 2 up. So each point on the shape is going to translate 3 left, then 2 up. So if we take this bottom point first, so we're going to go 3 left, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 at 1, 2. So that point is now going to be there. If we do that for every point on the shape, so this one now, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 up, we're going to be there. Now, some people only need to do 1 or 2 points, and then they can draw in the rest of the shape from it. Well, I can do that. So that's 2, 5 up now, so I need to go 5 up from its new location. And you draw it with a pencil and rule, and you label it A dash. Now, what you should notice is that these two shapes are in the same orientation as each other, i.e. they're facing the same way, they're the same size, so they're congruent to each other, because that's what congruent means. It means same size and shape as each other. Now, if you're asked to describe a translation, it's really important that you put the word translation, so you put which transformation you're using, and then to put the vector, or you can put how many squares right or left it's gone and how many up or down it's gone. We're also asked in this question to translate shape A along the vector 1, -5 and label it A dash dash. So, what does 1 -5 mean? Well, the 1 on the top means it's going to go right 1, and the 5 on the -5 means it's going to go down 5. So go 5 down. So, same again. Pick a point on the shape. So we can go 1 right and then 5 down. Do the same for another point. 1 right, 5 down. Then you'll probably be able to draw in the shape from there, and it's going to be exactly the same shape, and label it A dash dash. So remember, vector notation, the top number means left or right, so positive means right, negative means left, and the bottom number means up or down. Positive means up, negative means down.